We're in Spearfish with Casa of the Northern Hills, visiting with their director, Kate Kelley. And Kate, April is a special month.
Yes, it is. It is Child Abuse Awareness and Prevention Month. So we are kicking off with Pinwheels for Prevention. We've invited people to come and bring their kids, and they're going to have some frozen custard donated by Culver's, and we're going to give them a pinwheel and ask them to take a picture and post it on their social media and spread the word about what April is.
This was a great day. You got some displays set up outside and beautiful weather on April 1st to kick off the month.
We got very lucky. It's not blowing 50 miles an hour right now.
For someone who may not be familiar with the program, it's really special. Tell us about it.
Well, CASA stands for Court-Appointed Special Advocates, and our program recruits, trains, and supports community volunteers who are appointed by judges to be advocates for children involved in the court system because of abuse and neglect.
Kate, you have a training coming up for those who'd like to help get involved?
Yes, we do. We have new volunteer training that starts next Monday, April 5th. There's still time to register if you'd like to. Just go to our website, www.nhcasa.org, and you can hit the volunteer tab, and it will take you to an application page.
And Kate, this Saturday you have an event too?
We do. The Rapid City Rush is doing an event that will benefit several area organizations, and we are one of them, as well as CASA in Rapid City. And so all tickets are $25, and $5 from those tickets will go toward the different organizations that will be beneficiaries, and Black Hills Energy is also donating up to $10,000 match. So it's a great way to come out, have fun, and support great organizations in your community.
And Kate, coming up in July, you have your annual fundraiser, the 5K.
That is actually our annual Spearfish Canyon Half Marathon and 5K Run Walk, and that is July 10th. Last year, as you know, because of COVID, we only did it virtually, and we're so excited this year to be live again, although people do have an option to run it virtually if they'd like.
Okay. And Kate, for more information on CASA, for those who want to become a volunteer or just need to get in touch?
Yes, please visit our website at www.nhcasa.org.
Okay, thanks, Kate.
Thank you very much.